Are you really free to choose? You wake up, grab your phone and scroll. Netflix asks you to choose from thousands of shows. Food delivery apps offer hundreds of meals. Social media feeds are endless. You feel powerful, you feel free, you feel in control. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most of your choices are not as free as you think. Psychology and neuroscience reveal something deeply unsettling. The human brain often mistakes limitations for freedom. In many cases, the more choices you are given, the less control you actually have. This phenomenon is called the illusion of choice. In this video, we'll break down how the brain interprets choice, why options can reduce freedom instead of increasing it, how companies, governments, and algorithms exploit this illusion, the neuroscience behind decision-making, how to reclaim real control over your life. If you're interested in psychology, human behavior, neuroscience, self-improvement, or mental mastery, this video will change how you see your everyday decisions. Welcome to Psyc Academy. What is the illusion of choice? The illusion of choice refers to a psychological effect where people believe they are making independent, free decisions, when in reality, their choices are heavily constrained, influenced, or predetermined by external forces. You are not choosing freely between infinite possibilities. You are choosing between what is allowed, and the brain interprets this restriction as freedom. For example, you choose between two political parties, but not the system itself. You choose between brands, but not the economic structure. You choose content, but algorithms decide what you see. Your brain sees a menu and assumes autonomy. But freedom isn't about choosing between options. Freedom is about who defines the options. Why the brain loves limited choices. This might surprise you, but the brain actually prefers limits. From an evolutionary perspective, unlimited choice is dangerous. Early humans didn't choose between 50 food options. They chose between eat this or starve. The brain evolved to handle simple decisions quickly. Modern choice overload overwhelms the brain's decision-making system. Cognitive load and decision fatigue. Every decision consumes mental energy. Psychologists call this decision fatigue. The more options you evaluate, the slower your thinking becomes, the more anxious you feel, the worse your final decision is. That's why people order the same meal every time, rewatch the same shows, choose default settings. The brain avoids complex choice whenever possible. So when choices are pre-filtered, the brain feels relief and mistakes that relief for freedom. The paradox of choice, why more is less. Psychologist Barry Schwartz introduced the concept of the paradox of choice. His research shows that more options increase anxiety, more options reduce satisfaction, more options increase regret. In experiments, people offered 6 jam flavors were happier and more likely to buy. People offered 24 jam flavors felt overwhelmed and avoided choosing. More choice doesn't empower you, it paralyzes you. Yet modern society sells choice as freedom. This is where the illusion begins. The neuroscience of decision-making. Your conscious mind believes it is in control. Neuroscience says otherwise. The brain decides before you do. Studies using brain imaging show that the brain makes decisions seconds before conscious awareness. The conscious mind rationalizes decisions after they're made. This means you often explain your choices instead of making them. The prefrontal cortex evaluates options, but emotional centers like the amygdala and dopamine system heavily influence the outcome. Logic follows emotion, not the other way around. Dopamine, rewards, and false freedom. Dopamine is often called the pleasure chemical, but that's misleading. Dopamine is about anticipation, not satisfaction. When you see options, your brain releases dopamine. You feel excitement, you feel empowered. But once you choose, dopamine drops, satisfaction fades, regret appears. This creates a loop. More options, more dopamine, less fulfillment, more searching. Platforms exploit this cycle perfectly. How algorithms manufacture choice. Social media, YouTube, Netflix, and TikTok don't offer neutral options. They curate your reality. Algorithms decide what you see, decide what you don't see, shape your beliefs, influence your behavior. You feel like you're choosing, but the algorithm already chose for you. Your freedom exists inside invisible boundaries. And because those boundaries are hidden, the illusion feels real. Consumer psychology, choice as control marketing psychology understands this deeply. Brands don't sell products. They sell the feeling of control. Examples: 3 pricing tiers, you almost always pick the middle. Customization options that don't change function. Limited editions to create urgency. You're not choosing freely. You're being guided, gently, invisibly, and your brain thanks them for it. Free will versus psychological conditioning. This raises a disturbing question. Do we have free will at all? Psychology suggests free will exists on a spectrum. Your choices are shaped by past experiences, trauma, culture, language, social pressure, neurochemistry. You don't start from zero, you start from conditioning. Most people mistake conditioned preference for freedom. Why we defend the illusion. If freedom is limited, why don't we reject the illusion? Because the truth is terrifying. Believing you're in control reduces anxiety, increases motivation, preserves identity. The brain protects this belief. Challenging it feels like losing yourself. That's why people react emotionally when freedom is questioned. Real freedom versus perceived freedom. Let's define the difference. Perceived freedom, choosing between available options, feeling empowered, avoiding discomfort. Real freedom, understanding constraints, questioning defaults, choosing intentionally. Most people live inside perceived freedom. Few pursue real freedom. How to reclaim true control. Here's how to break the illusion. 1. Reduce options. Intentionally. Less choice suckers more clarity. Simplify your wardrobe, your routines, your content intake. Constraints increase mastery. 2. Question defaults. Ask, why is this the default? Who benefits from this option? What alternatives exist outside the system? 3. Slow down decisions. Speed benefits manipulators. Slowness restores autonomy. 4. Build self-awareness. The more you understand your mind, the harder it is to exploit. The easier it is to choose consciously. Why this topic is trending now. Search trends show growing interest in psychology of choice, free will versus determinism, dopamine detox, algorithm manipulation, mental freedom. People are waking up. They feel controlled, but don't know why. This video gives language to that discomfort. The most dangerous illusion. The most powerful prison isn't built with walls. It's built with options. When choice replaces freedom, control becomes invisible. And when control is invisible, it's almost impossible to escape. The question isn't, what should I choose? The real question is, who decided these were my only choices? If this video made you think differently, welcome to Psyc Academy, where we decode the mind, uncover hidden psychology, and challenge the illusions shaping your reality. Subscribe for more psychology, neuroscience, and human behavior content. Your mind is powerful, but only if you truly control it.